Hi, I am Nishant Garg and welcome to Apache Spark Fundamental course by Tact Publishing. I have over 16 years of software development experience in various Java enterprise technologies and big data technologies like Hadoop, HBase, Spark, Kafka, etc. I have received my master's degree in software systems and currently working as senior technical architect in big data R&D labs with Impetus. I have enjoyed working with some of the most recognizable names in IT services, employing full software lifecycle methodologies such as Agile and Scrum. I have also undertaken many speaking engagements on big data technologies and is also the author of Learning Apache Kafka and HBase Essential book. This series of videos is a comprehensive tutorial to help you learn all the fundamentals of Apache Spark programming. Today, Apache Spark is one of the hottest big data in-memory processing framework present in the market. We will introduce you to the various components and programming fundamentals of a Spark framework to efficiently process, analyze, and visualize data. Let's see what we will learn. First, we will discuss the brief introduction of Spark history and its essential components. Next, before we dive into Spark programming, an introduction to Apache Hadoop and Spark programming language would be given. Here, we will cover Apache Hadoop introduction, Hadoop processes and its components, SDFS, Yarn and MapReduce in detail. Scala is a preferred programming language for big data programming, especially with frameworks like Apache Spark. Here, we will cover Scala programming fundamentals such as Scala classes, objects, and collections in Scala. Once we are introduced to Spark, Hadoop, and Scala, we will start with the Spark programming. In this section, we will learn about Spark programming fundamentals such as resilient distributed datasets called RDDs and see what all transformations and actions are performed on RDDs. In the last section, we will learn to load and save data from various data sources such as different type of files, NoSQLs, and RDBMS databases. We will also explain advanced concepts like paired RDDs, accumulators, etc. And finally, you will discover how to create an effective Spark application and execute it on Spark cluster. Goals for this course are to understand Apache Spark history and its power to perform efficient data processing. Quick overview of Apache Hadoop and Scala programming language to get started with Apache Spark. Learn Apache Spark programming fundamentals to get started with Spark programming. Some of the prerequisites for this course are Hortonworks HDP 2.5 virtual machine. All the example code are executed on Spark installed on HDP 2.5 virtual environment. Next, one should have familiarity with Java code for quick understanding of Spark fundamentals. Familiarity with Linux and SDFS commands is also required to easily execute the sample code. Now let's start with the first section of this course, introducing Spark.